Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Hello.
It is, what day is it? 2nd of May.
2nd of May.
Tuesday, the 2nd of May.
May 2.
We're on 328 subscribers by last count.
We are.
So we're doing well on that front. And we have another vehicle on the channel. It is a 2013 Ford C-Max with a 1 litre EcoBoost engine. Lovely.
Just have a look at that axle side on that side, it'll be alright, won't it?
Oh, it's a bit late, your jack's already out.
Well, no, I'm just making sure it'll be alright when I lift this side.
It should be. Yeah, so, 2013 1 litre EcoBoost Ford C-Max. Lovely. Head gasket issue. Isn't there, Josh? Yeah.
Yeah.
So now...
What Matty said.
What I'm going to do, I'll bring you with me, actually. So there is a little 1 litre engine, as you can see. The expansion tank is empty, very empty. The engine mount's also failed by the looks of it, so that's a lovely bit.
Just have another look.
Hang on, I'm
Can't
busy.
see if it's cockling.
That'll be alright. So I'm going to fall off once. So yeah, lovely engine. Nice scuttle panel in the way. That's going to have to come off. So yeah, so that's that. Yeah. Fun times ahead, big job ahead. Josh is thrilled, to say the least.
Oh yeah, can't wait, to be honest with you. Can't wait. So to Matty, I was like, oh, head gasket.
It was like, yes, head gasket. It was like a nice, easy one.
Right, we got lifted off the floor and he's like, nah, kid.
I was like, I just went, no. I was like, why? I was like, it's a 1 litre, mate. He was like, oh, fuck. Like, yeah. So yes, fun times ahead. So, what I'm going to do now, I think I'll try and bring you with us a bit more. Like, it'll be mostly on time. Like, be a lot of time lapsing on this one, won't there? Because there are videos of us doing 1 litres, aren't there?
Already.
Yeah, the head gasket bit we'll do as a proper filming, but stripping it down, I think we'll just show them what we're it's time lapse what we're doing. So you reckon?
Yeah.
Yarp. Right. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell button for notifications on any future content. And we'll see you in the next bit. Peace out. Well, this one's a bit crusty. Look at all that. You can actually see it without me even going in with a pick. Oh, Josh.
Yeah?
Look here, boy.
Hang on. Got a real light.
Yeah, bring in the sun.
That's probably the worst one we've seen, actually. Probably the oldest one we've seen, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a bit of belt material in there, boy. Yeah, so anyway, it's a good job we've taken some off to clean the strainer.
Kind of wasn't part of the plan anyway.
No, it wasn't part of the plan, but we've done it anyway.
We've done it anyway, because we're just nice guys.
Yeah, so, good job. Right, we'll catch you in the next bit. So guys, we're at the point where it's time to start taking the head off. I just need to make sure I can see, well I say make sure I've got everything off, but I can see a 13 down there, which I haven't got. So I'll get, well, you won't be able to know what I'm saying from my roof, but yeah. We'll get a 13 socket, get that wazzed out, because we don't want that in the way, do we? There. Just a bit of an earth point on the back of the cylinder head. So that's that. Trusty organiser. Sorry. I think we're at about that point, guys. So time to lift the head like so. Take it out of the way. All over the bloody drive. All over me. And then take this gasket, if we can get, okay, now that's stuck on well. Okay, now. Ah, yes, like that fucking out. Oh, it sliced open my finger. Lovely. Let's inspect the gasket surface, see if there's anything at present that's visible straight away. So, as you can see, guys, cylinder head off, bleeding everywhere at the minute, and there is the old head gasket. Let's see if we can see anything. Look, hopefully something nicely blaringly obvious. If not, we're going to have to inspect for cracked liners, damage to the head, all that jazz. But yeah, so what I'll do, I'm going to cut out now and then have a quick look at the head and then carry it on shortly. So we'll see you guys soon.